In this video, I will show you how simple it is to create a growth plan for your startup. From your dashboard, head to Growth section. First, we ask about your target customer. This means the specific people you will target with your marketing strategy. For example, you might choose entrepreneurs in the UK. Add that and move to the next step. Now, tell us about your outreach so far. Have you already started contacting potential customers, or are you just getting started? Let's say you already have some prospects. You can enter when you began. For example, you might have contacted 100 people in December, another 100 in January, and plan to contact 100 more this month. Next, set your growth goal. If you're preparing for investment, you might aim for 20% growth month to month in the first year. You can also add details like customer acquisition cost or market size, but you can skip those for now. Based on this information, we instantly calculate your project growth. You will first see a 12-month view showcasing your current progress and how it could develop over the next year. Want a longer outlook? Just switch to 5-year view. And finally, if you would like a second opinion, you can ask our AI analyst to review your growth plan and see if it makes sense.